Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is numerical integration. Now before discussing numerical integration, we are going to discuss about the types of integration. Okay, now we have two types of integral. One is definite integral, another one is indefinite integral. In indefinite integral, we do not have any limits. We integrate a function fx. Okay, since the function is with respect to x, so we are going to differentiate it with respect to x, then we will get the answer, that is capital Fx plus c. This capital Fx is the integral of this indefinite integral along with a constant c. Now indefinite integral, what we have a limit. Okay, we have to integrate the function fx within a limit, that is x is equal to a to b. Okay, and the results of this particular definite integral will be fx plus c. Fx is the integral of this function fx, okay, plus c is the constant. Now since this is definite integral from a to b, so we have to write down the limits here. X is equal to a to b, and after putting the value here, we will get fb minus fa. This is the usual process of finding the value of a definite integral. Okay, now what is the meaning of this definite integral? Okay, now the meaning of definite integral we can explain with geometrically. Okay, now let us draw x-axis and y-axis, okay, and represent this function graphically here. Then I will get y equal to fx. Suppose this is my curve. Okay, okay, now x is equal to a. Suppose this is a point a and this is a point b. Okay, okay, now we will draw a perpendicular line from x-axis to this curve and another perpendicular line from x-axis from this point b to this curve fx. Okay, then we will get a region. The meaning of this particular definite integral, that is integration over x is equal to a to b fx dx, is nothing but the area of this particular geometric region. Okay, fine. In numerical integration, what happened? Sometimes this form of the function of this fx is not known, or sometimes it is not possible to integrate the function using the usual method. In that case, numerical integration help us. What we do in numerical integration? In this method, we divide this geometrical region into some small parts. Okay, some small parts, and then we try to find out the area of these small parts. Okay, some equidistant part. Remember, but these small parts are equidistant. Then we try to find out the area of these small parts. Then we add the areas, all the areas, and then we will get the value of this area, value of the area of this particular geometric region, which is nothing but the value of the definite integral. Okay, our given definite integral, where suppose the form of the function is not known or it is not possible to integrate using the usual method. Okay, so in such cases numerical integration is very useful. And in numerical integration, once again I am repeating, here we divide this area into small part and equidistant part. Okay, then we add all the areas and then we find our required value of the definite integral. Okay, now let us come to the definition of numerical integration. Numerical integration is a technique of calculating the approximate numerical value of a definite integral, integration over a to b fx dx, where fx is not completely known, but we are given the values of the function fx for a set of equidistant values of the argument x. If you are asked to write down the definition of numerical integration, you have to write down this, that we have a definite integral fx where fx is not completely known or it is difficult to integrate fx using the usual method. Then we can use numerical integration. Using numerical integration we can find out this value, okay, approximate value of this definite integral, but we are given some values, equidistant values of x along with some values of fx. Fine, so you just go through it. This is what written, whatever I have explained just now, that is written here. You go through it, try to understand. Thank you.